Well, I am Ben. This is Lee. We are Evil GT.
Lee from Evil GT.
Lee, aka Doris. We're in the C63, but we're going to a place called Wigan VAG Parts.
Tell we're in the C63.
You're such an asbo. So yeah, we're going to a place called Wigan VAG Parts. We caught wind that they had a grill for the RS4 because that's pretty much the only thing left that we need to sort out now. The headlight intake thing, we can try and do something with that. But the grill is an integral part of the front of it because it keeps the structure of the bumper.
And for everyone watching, you will know that Jimmy sold our other grill.
Yeah, so cheers for that, Jimmy.
Yeah, cheers,
but it turns out that Jimmy is good friends with these guys who own Wigan VAG Parts. I'm not no CID or Sherlock or anything, but I do get the impression that he sold ours to make sure that his mate had got a bit of business because we'd have to pay over the odds and buy one off them.
That's a nice conspiracy theory, that. I like that.
Unbelievable, Jim. So anyway, we're on our way there. And they've got loads and loads of other stuff there. They've got 3 B7s, they've got an RS3 Dazza, they've got loads of different stuff. So we're going to have a little mooch around, see what else we can maybe have.
We're going to find out exactly how much these used parts are. I'm curious.
Yeah, and things only seem to be going one way lately, and that is up. So yeah,
Let's
see you there.
Oh, what a place for a donut. Yes.
Just don't crash into anything, all right?
Yeah, I've got to do it. I mean, it's begging. Look, just show people. It's begging, isn't it? It's begging.
Brilliant, right?
There you go.
I'm sure one day you will grow up. Do you reckon?
No fucking chance. Yeah. So we might not be able to get any prices, but it will be really interesting today to see all these breaking cars. You know, because it's amazed me that people can buy a shed and then make more money off the parts.
Well, it'd be interesting to see how much he wants for the wheels on that B7 RS4. See if we had our pants pulled down.
Let's go and find out. You're Danny. You're the owner of the VAG Parts. Wigan VAG Parts. Yeah.
Yeah.
On eBay. Do all the stuff on eBay.
Yeah,
you got
eBay,
a website?
Facebook. Not got a website. Just eBay and Facebook.
Okay. I want to know, why did you pay nearly 200 quid for these door mirrors when you could have got some normal A4 ones? Because you said they're more or less the same, aren't they? Just a little bit different.
I think they'll fit.
They would have fit.
There's only one way
This
to
bit,
find out,
this bit is the same here.
They fit me.
But the actual mirror itself would have been shit in RS4.
Well,
yeah,
well
the mirror
upset.
would look pants compared to that.
Yeah,
Because it's a track car, right?
So?
And you don't know he's driving. But I can tell you right now, it's shit. You're going to be clipping tyre walls and everything. They're going to get ripped off.
Ironically, my driving's shit, but the last 2 times we've been on track, he's gone off.
All right, well, we don't need to go on that. So what would you sell the door mirrors for if they was in good, condition?
I don't know, minters, I'd probably try and get 400, them per, they're 300 quid the per.
What's the most common thing off this car you think people want?
Fucking wingbacks.
Are they in here still? Oh no, they've gone.
They're there for time, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Some of them have been on there months.
What was up with this one? Why is it in?
It had a weak front oil cooler.
You hear this?
What's
It's
happening?
in getting stripped because it had a leak in the oil cooler.
We've just replaced the
Forge oil cooler
Yeah,
on
Forge
it.
one, I know Jimbo said the other day. I get on well with Jimmy next door.
Yeah, don't we know it, mate? He sold our grill and we've got to buy one off you,
Yeah, exactly.
conveniently.
We've been trying to get a grill, front bumperish and stuff like that. They're a fortune. They're like 8, 9.
Nah,
9.
shh.
They're
dead cheap.
They're about 300 quid. aren't they? Something
Yeah,
like that.
exactly, yeah.
Somebody wants that one clip. I find his message in a bit. He wanted
he
it complete. So
Yeah, it's fine, we only want the grill.
Well, exactly. He might want the rest.
Tell him
of
you can
it.
have the bumper for 850 quid.
You give us 50 quid, we'll take it away. How's that sound? If you used to get that in, how much would you strip it down for? You know, if you were just gonna
It'll do
rough
all
guess.
right. I will make enough profit for fucking make it viable.
So what he's trying to say is he doesn't want to tell me.
Yes.
But I'm reckoning about 12, 13 grand.
I reckon you get more than that. Yeah, way more than that.
Yeah, more than that.
So-
Easy more than that.
We've got one, so if we was to strip it down, it's probably worth more stripping it down than it is selling it.
Just finding a buyer for everything. If you're lucky, you'll get rid of it quick. If you're unlucky, then you end
So
up
how much
sat on shit.
How much is the engine?
We did one other month for 5.
There you
5
go.
grand. Well, that must be a 60k.
You know, 78 or something like that.
So that's what I'm saying. So alone, the engine's 5 grand, then you've got nearly 2 grand for the seats. There's 7.
Yeah, true.
So yeah, you're probably a good 20 grand, around £20,000, I'd say, all
I'd
in.
say 15 to 20.
Yeah.
This one will do all right because it's got billies on it and that.
Oh, it's got B16s on it.
Yeah, I've got a lot.
Oh, he has as well. Look at that. You might just about be able to see them in there.
I need to ask, what the fuck is that? I mean,
Not a fucking clue.
well, if you don't know.
I don't know. I think it's something to do with washers, a washer bottle or something.
Right.
Not a clue.
But it's like the headlight washer or something. Like the headlight washer reservoir or something like that.
Yeah.
That's my guess. Bring your hiking boots with you.
Yeah. I mean, we're talking about like I mean, it's a scrap. Technically, it's a scrapyard, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, but this is probably the same condition as Tom's unit at Crest. This is the outside version, isn't it?
Although this is a bit more organised because at least they can put one car on top of the other.
Well, they can, yeah. But it is like being at Tom's. None of the cars run. So we're gonna have a look round.
Yeah.
And we're gonna find something really interesting.
Come on then.
When we were looking for the stuff for the B7, we had a few things, and we had to go here and we had to go there and everything like that. This is Wigan, down the road from us in Warrington, and we went for a wing miles away. Remember?
Yeah.
Obviously, the door mirrors we had to get off eBay, so it's good to know that this place exists because
It is, yeah.
everything here. They've got doors for everything.
And everyone knows you don't like going 20 minutes from Warrington, so this would have been perfect for you.
The thing is, if you're going to do a road trip, do it properly, don't you? You go to Marbella like we're doing, and we've got another one coming up.
We have road trip.
Yeah, we're going to go all over Europe. So if you're going to go big.
Before we go any further, have you had your breakfast?
I have had my breakfast, yeah. We've got the Y foods again. Thank you very much. Now this is a creamy cookie, which I know this is a new flavour, right?
It is. 26 vitamins and minerals, keeps you full for up to 5 hours.
Low in sugar, high in fibre, high in protein, gluten and lactose free.
I mean, what more do you want?
So this should put me through to my dinner. That's actually very nice.
Absolutely delicious. They've got bars, chewy bars, they've got powders that you can make up whenever you want to make them up.
As always, Evil GT10 will get you a 10% discount.
Link is in the description.
Go check it out. Just try them because they do like a taster pack, which is really good. Gives you a bit of everything. And I think the lads here at Wigan VAG Parts are going to love these. So should we donate a couple?
I think we should.
I think we've got some new customers.
Yes. Have you seen this? That you're walking straight past an 8P S3. It's
8P
a three-door 8P.
Okay. Yeah. Take your word for it.
Nice car, that.
Apart from it's got S3 on the back, how would you tell?
You wouldn't really.
Okay.
Apart
So
from the mirrors are silver, which is an S thing. Engine's gone. It's an auto, this one, but otherwise the prop shaft's still there and the brakes and all that jazz. But yeah,
and that looks like a massive keyboard.
it's
I mean,
the
that's
under tray,
weird,
that,
isn't
isn't it? It is weird how they do. Can someone explain to us why they have them blocks in the under tray sometimes?
I
It's
think
weird,
I've just
isn't it?
cut my coat up.
Ah, your new coat.
Oh Jesus. So anyway, everything seems, even though it looks like organised chaos, well I suppose it is organised chaos because there's all sorts of stuff, everything's in the same spot. So if you were coming round, I mean they've not got many engines really, have they? So I suppose that's one of the first things to go. You know, people take the engines, don't they? 'Cause
Yeah.
that's obviously got subframes and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But there's one thing that I'm curious about. Who the hell wants this?
What?
The side of a car. I mean, what's happening there?
Hey,
Someone's just chopped it all the way down there and said, yeah, there you go.
That's still in better condition than your S15, to be fair. So, yeah,
Well, it is in better nick, yeah. But I mean, I don't get that. Why would you need that?
it's half a Golf, innit?
Is
that
it just
Golf?
like people need the quarter panels and
It looks like
side
it, yeah.
panels?
Probably, yeah. And the glass, so there's the glass in it still, and the seals around the doors and
Oh,
stuff.
right, okay.
Yeah,
So I
maybe
suppose
there is still quite a bit of stuff there.
Got some more doors. We've got another something there.
Hey, there's an
I don't even know what it is.
RS3 up there as well.
Oh yeah, there we go. But to be fair, I didn't look much left on that. Another old RS4, the B7's there.
Where is
And
it?
the
Oh, yes.
TT. So have we got anything on this we can take off? There's not much left on that. I don't think people want them little reservoirs, do they?
No.
It's like the last thing to go.
Usually people will have the rear quarters, but yeah, there's not a great deal left on that, is there?
As we know, these can be like skimmed, so even though that looks like in really bad nick, we'll probably be able to recover that. The first thing to go really is the interior, if it's got wing backs in it.
Yeah, we could do
Because-
with some black rear seats, couldn't we, really?
Oh, yeah, we
Should we
could
ask
do.
him to see if he's got any?
Yeah, we could
But they
do.
need to be heated. I'm not having any old shit.
Okay, no problem, we'll ask him about that. But I tell you what, S3 drivers seem to be having big problems because we've got a few S3.
I'd love
bits
to
and
see.
bobs.
I'd love to see the BMW scrapyard somewhere. I bet it's like half a Cheshire.
See, this is the thing, right? Let me just tell, because I need to get this on camera. So I was thinking to myself, why are our subscribers like just stagnant?
Yeah.
We're going up very, very slow.
Yeah.
It's because you're an Audi fanboy.
Right.
Stop slagging off the BMW drivers saying the shit because they should be in a scrapyard of their own.
I'm not saying the shit.
Yeah, you just say I'd love to see a BMW scrapyard.
Yeah, because I bet it's bigger than this one.
But you can't do that because we're losing subscribers.
No.
I love you BMW
They
guys.
know it's a joke, don't they? Stop piping people off. What's up with
I'm just a I like everything motor kind of guy. So don't
that
just
E46 M3 is one of my favourite cars ever.
forget him. He's an Audi fanboy. But if you're going to subscribe, consider just half subscribing because I'm neutral. I'm on the fence. Anyway, yeah, this is the Wigan VAG bits and pieces, so if you need anything for your car, I don't think that's
I'd probably chuck that in a
salvageable.
bin. Shall we go and have a look to see what we've actually bought though?
We've not bought it as in we've not bought it, spent the money on it yet, but we've come to buy it. So this is it. What grey is this? Is this a Daytona?
This is Daytona, mate. Yeah, am I right to put this up here?
Yeah.
I was going to say I'll watch the paintwork, but I suppose that doesn't really matter all that much.
So this, we don't need the bumper. We just need this little bit here.
Yeah,
Danny,
the grill.
You know what I'm saying? We need that little bit.
Just that bit there.
You know that bit?
That's what we need.
Yeah, that one. Yeah.
Oh no, it's full of them. We just come here because it's local, isn't it? Loads of these, mate. Loads of them.
I mean, we've been to a lot of garages now, and Danny's got to be the nicest garage.
Oh, by far, yeah.
You know, he's
Yeah.
such an accommodating guy.
Yeah. What a
And,
gent.
so Danny, how much are we getting our pants pulled down on this for?
What did Jimbo say? 850?
750.
No, it definitely wasn't 750.
Might be 700.
Is it 650?
So you know what? We'll take off your hands for 500 quid.
Tell you what, 400 cash. Well, we tried, didn't we?
We did try.
Looks like we've got to pay the normal price.
Yeah.
Which, to be fair, when you go on eBay and stuff like that, they're that price, aren't they?
Very expensive.
And a lot of them are actually damaged. So this is in good condition. But the thing is, we don't need that bit. So you said your guy might want the outside bit, and we just take the inner bit.
Find his message if he wants just the outer bit. Obviously, we'll discuss what you want for the rest of the bumper, and I can only put it to him.
Yeah. What have you got?
Where's that come from?
It's the Y-Foods probably. Oh. Well, lucky, mate.
We sell at 800. Yes, you legend. Right, sound. Do you want? Can we bank transfer you?
Thank you very much, Danny. You are already a legend.
Yes.
I'm sure you're a legend in Wigan already, but now you're a legend in Warrington and Eagle GT. So, not a bad deal. Got 50 notes off it.
Yeah.
Happy with that.
Yeah.
There's one big issue with it though.
What?
We're in the C63.
Yeah.
How do we get it in the car?
Do the seats fall down?
No.
What?
No, the seats do not fall down.
Oh,
Oh yeah?
I thought at all.
No. So we'll take this bit out and then we'll leave this here and then we'll come back for it at some point.
Right. Okay. Danny, we've just established that we don't have any means of taking this with us.
Can we leave the bumper bit here and we just take the grill and come back for it? Is that alright?
Do what you want. Get Jimmy, pick it up and take it if you want.
Well, I've asked Jimmy if he can sell it for us on eBay.
Does Jimmy live in Wigan?
He does.
Alright, so he's only. Do you see him every now and then?
5-10 minutes away.
Alright, okay. Mr. Screw, mate.
Bound to happen, wasn't it?
Half a job. So if anybody who's watching this wants that bumper bit, I know you said your guy might want it, but if he doesn't, 900 quid, yeah?
At least.
Right.
Sweet.
Thank you very much.
All that fuss for that. There you go.
Just before we go, we went to Birmingham to pick some wheels
I
up.
love the Wii. That was not a Wii. You went to Birmingham and picked a set of shit wheels up for 700 quid.
Danny's got a set of 5 here.
Set of 5. There's a spare one in the back somewhere.
Yeah, good
Check and
condition.
see. Yeah.
Straight, no welds, 850. And we went all the way down the M6.
To get a shit set.
Come on, let's go.
Come on, then. Right.
Cheers, Danny. Thanks
No
very
problem.
much. Cheers, mate.
Nice one.
So there you go. Something a little bit different for us, going to a Breakers.
Well happy with my purchase there.
Yeah, and they've got, obviously not got every single car, VAG car, but they've got quite a lot. So yeah, give them a look out if you need anything. They've got some wheels there, they've got the B7 stuff, S3 stuff, RS3, they've got the RS3 in there. I'm not going to say subscribe because I don't think there's anything subscribing off this video, is
Yeah,
there?
of course there is. We've got loads of progress done on the RS4 track car now. What's left to do on it, do you know?
We
still need
to be
to
honest, this is one of the last bits.
We still need to do something with the headlight and the intake bit.
Oh, Danny said about a headlight, didn't he?
Yeah.
We go and see if he's got
Yeah.
it. Right, let's put this in the boot. Don't forget the Y-Food, guys. Links in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye bye.
Ta-ra.